Hello my friends, welcome to the Life Buzz Daily. This is Lady Travel Solo. This video is in a way a continuation of my video about London, England. The Queen is a figurehead, for example, of the state, but she has no real power. The power to rule the country is given to the people by the people to elect their representatives in the form of a prime minister and his cabinets to govern and make laws for the country and its citizens. But this power to govern is given to the people, no longer to a king or a queen, because it is the people who choose a representative to govern the country on their behalf. So talking about the English Prime Minister Boris Johnson, he has tested positive for coronavirus. He who espoused herd immunity at the beginning has tested positive for COVID19, or another name is Wuhan virus, because the virus originated from Wuhan, China. I'm not adding salt to injury, but I hope he gets well soon and his pregnant girlfriend Carrie Simmons is safe also, along with the baby. The reason I say that is because he, Boris Johnson, did not actually take actions at the early stage of the spread of this virus, but instead his strategy was herd immunity without putting any restrictive measures to protect the British citizens. So, do you think Boris' herd immunity strategy is foolish? When news of the rapidly spreading coronavirus around the world have come to light. But he didn't actually, like I said, implement any protective measures or preventive measures to circumvent or to prevent the spread of this virus in the community. So as of today, April 4th, 2020, coronavirus has spread to 181 countries, and the number of confirmed cases in the United Kingdom is over 40,000, and US is in the first position with about 280,000 confirmed cases. And the death as a result of the COVID-19 or Wuhan virus, it's over 4,000 in the United Kingdom, but only 209 people have recovered from the disease. So as you can see, these numbers are pretty discouraging, especially looking at the number of deaths compared to the number of people recovered. It's a big difference. And the confirmed number of cases is over 40,000, and I suspect that the confirmed number of cases will continue to go up until it plateau, and I don't see the plateauing effect or the flattening of the curve will be soon. It's going to probably take at least 2 weeks or more before we see the flattening of the curve. But having said that, it also depends on how the government is dealing with the situation and what preventive measures Boris Johnson is going to put in place to accelerate the number of testings and to encourage and even expect people to self-isolate to help with the situation and to curb the spread of the virus in the UK. So even Boris Johnson is now self-isolating and continue to work from home to continue his leadership role remotely. Aside from Boris himself, his health secretary is also tested positive and is in self-isolation too, along with the chief medical officer. I am not sure how the English people feel about this turn of events and would like to hear their comments if they see this video.